whole clique probably flip that bitch, that's real. Everything that I spit, fucking right on the beat. Better get quick, boy, you don't fit in, standing out like a fifth wheel. Look, do this motherfucker in the planet, and I love it cause I know you gon' be standing. Yeah, Jay Jones, I say, only if you cool enough to. Okay, only if you cool enough to. What's next, right away? Yeah. I got a mixtape job and showing too. It's called Boom Kong and Collect.
Jay Jones.
Yeah. Yeah. Let go. Let go. Alright. Fuck you niggas, y'all through it. I ain't fucking with haters. Been on this road with kicking my bread up. By the top of crib with some acres. Okay, rich shining, bitch shining. Time to pick with my clip shining. No bang bang, these rips. About the bang came on your bitch partner. Hold up, I will go and get the cream or without rap. Pull up on your black girl where your house at. You was trying to front, so I'm out back. With a black Mac, but you know about that. And you a dumb nigga, that's facts. Put some hoes in your whip, better back. And I really got a rack in the back sack. So you ain't gotta ask for the cash yet. Chill out, bitch, but why hurt you? Hits, nigga, universal. Your money, young, and got perfume. And I talk for shit, cause I deserve to, nigga. Cause up in the city, if you got a motherfucker, if you really got a policy about it, motherfucker, my shit go, your shit boom. It's like a mother up in the yard with a pit loose. What would you do? Got his head shake all at a pit loose. And I don't see no real nigga up in you. Did that offend you? What I meant to. With my middle finger hanging out the window. Did you taking the clip, what you got into? 17 in the clip, I see through. And they taking your head, duck loose. Yeah, I ain't great, my nigga, fuck you. Man, I was trying to chill, but lame niggas walk me out. A lot of shit changed, but